Ghost is a revolutionary marine platform developed and built by Juliet Marine Systems, a private American company located in Portsmouth, New Hampshire. Juliet Marine's technologies will dramatically change the marine industry's understanding of propulsion for surface and subsurface, manned and unmanned vessels. Ghost is designed and built to address the growing international threat of combatant swarm attacks, waterborne IEDs, and piracy. Ghost technology is suitable for fleet force protection, special operations, ISR, command and control, and mine warfare and detection. Ghost is a fast, agile, long-range, supercavitating, semi-submersible surface craft. As a small waterplane area twin hull, or swath, it is comprised of three main structures: two movable underwater buoyant tubular foil hulls, and a command module that rides above the water on two thin connecting struts. Ghost has a crew of three: a pilot, a weapons officer, and a crew engineer. Ghost's command module weapons bay, in its current configuration, can accommodate 18 personnel or cannons and missile technologies, such as the Griffin, APKWS, and Spike, deployed from internal weapons bays or from the skin of the craft, like an attack helicopter. Ghost was developed as a long-range coastal patrol vessel for geographic locations such as the Straits of Hormuz, the Malacca Straits, the South China Sea, the Gulf of Aden, Taiwan, and Korea, and has an extremely long range to accomplish missions and patrols in these areas. Ghost could also be used by the U.S. Coast Guard and other security forces for patrol, rescue, and counter-drug operations. Ghost, in its current configuration, weighs approximately 48,000 pounds. The craft disassembles into three main components: two struts and buoyant tubular foils, and a command module, and can be flown on a C-17 and reassembled in 24 hours with a transport trailer. Ghost can be moved by rail or over the road. Ghost can also be transported and deployed using ships or the well decks of LPDs, LSDs, and LHDs. It could also be sea-based from a barge. Ghost propulsion uses aviation-quality reliable gas turbine engines that provide unmatched reliability with 10,000 hours of operation prior to major overhaul. An engine propulsion change takes just 2 hours to be mission-ready. Ghost jet propulsion engines, fuel systems, operational computers, and controls are located underwater and thus are protected from enemy weapons. Ghost can operate unmanned, and its size and payload can be scaled up or down depending on application and mission needs. Ghost has a revolutionary hull design that can transform while underway to provide either the best configuration for seakeeping for slow-speed operation or the best configuration for high speed to provide wave isolation between the hulls and command module. This elevation of the command module above the sea surface results in a smooth ride, eliminating the debilitating impact injuries inherent in planing hull craft in use today. Ghost gets the warrior to the battle, fit to fight, not fatigued from the G-forces absorbed in transit in planing craft. In addition, this isolation of the center hull command module from the wave action of the sea surface provides a much more stable base for a weapons system, increasing accuracy and effectiveness. Ghost is designed to carry a weapons or sensor payload to accommodate anti-swarm, force protection, special operations, ISR, and command and control missions. Ghost's weapons bay doors can accommodate 20mm Gatling guns and multiple rocket missile systems. The Ghost moon pool can be used to deploy and recover UUVs and mine countermeasure systems. Ghost currently has a reduced signature, and future Ghosts can be designed to have a very low radar, noise, and heat signature. Ghost has game-changing range, cruise speeds, sprint speeds, and payload capacity. Two gas turbine engines generate abundant electrical power to serve the warfighter requirements for a wide array of mission needs with varied payload modules. This advanced, proven design allows for longer range missions, longer loiter time on target, and cruise security in either the turbine or hybrid drive mode. Ghost's unique aircraft-like manufacturing concept allows for fabrication of all major structures at outlying qualified sheet metal fabrication companies, providing for very competitive, low-cost manufacturing. Ghost's innovative design and fabrication techniques, coupled with game-changing fuel efficiency, translate into lower total ownership costs and unrivaled operational characteristics. The Ghost's high-speed, stable ride, endurance, and easily reconfigurable payload provide the punch and maneuverability of an aircraft with days of on-station time to assure sea space dominance for today and tomorrow's warfighter. Ghost, the platform of choice for Fleet Force protection, special operations, and ISR missions.